Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? We have a new item. You know me, I love new stuff. Now, I got a couple of videos of this product. I did a video at the SEMA show in Las Vegas, and I done a video of this at the Keystone Big Show in Texas. But we finally did one here in our store. That's right, one of our customers got this cover, and we put it on here, and I'm going to show you how great it is. But before we get started, hit the like button, get it out of the way. You know you're going to like the video, so hit it. I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm waiting. Okay. And subscribe to the channel. By the way, if you have questions, that is our telephone number right there. You can give us a call. Now, I will put a link of this product at the bottom of the YouTube video so you can check out price and all that information. You can order from there if you like, or you can call us. Also, if you want to ask questions about the YouTube video, you can do that. I try to get to it as quickly as I can, but if you need a quick answer, give us a call. So that being said, come on over here. Take a good look at this beautiful low-profile Bak Flip MX4TS, right? What does that TS stand for? It stands for T-slot. That's right. It's got a built-in T-slot from the factory. It's not added on. It is part of the rail. It's going to be a lot more stronger that way. It looks good. You don't have to pay extra. Oh, wait, it's a little bit more, but you don't have to pay as much for a second rail. And when you get a T-slot, you can add all kinds of racks to it. So see my truck over there? See all the racks on that truck? Everything in that truck you can put on this truck now. So you got the world of options here. Now also, if you look here, the texture is different before. The other one had a powder coated finish. This is going to be more of a Line-X finish. So it's going to take a lot more abuse than the previous setup. It looks nice too, but it's going to be stronger. So this is kind of like your new tank model of the MX4 here. Now this is the Toyota Tacoma with the 6-foot bed. So you do get an extra panel with that. So let's go ahead and take a look how it works. One thing before I open up, I want you to look how nice and low profile this is. Super clean look. I love the looks of this, but of course the most important part about this is the function. So you do have a left and right release mechanism. So if you're on the driver's side or passenger side, you can't open the cover. Not all covers do that. A lot of them just the driver's side. Now this does have a dual seal here, so it's going to do a pretty good job in keeping Mother Nature out. Now as water goes, nothing is waterproof, so but these do a pretty good job at keeping water out. Now of course the new model with the wider rail here, I think it might even do better than the previous model. Now if you look over here, you can see the rail here, and they do it again. It's one piece. And I like that a whole lot, so let's go to open up a little more here. Now, I want you to see how this is all attached as well. Now, with the Toyotas, they are using the cargo management system. If you look here, it is attached to that. So there's a rail that goes on first, and then the secondary rail that goes on top of it, and it's all bolted in there. Now, I do see that they made some small changes. I know on some of my other videos, the hardware was hitting the cargo management system. This one is not, so I'm glad that they adjusted that. Now, I like this cover for a lot of reasons. One is you can drive down the road just the way you see it here. You just take this off, come over here, and I'll show you how this attaches. So it's pretty straightforward. You stick it right in there, take this, tightens it up. When not in use, you just go ahead and put it right back in there. Now, what's nice about this cover, a lot of folding covers, when they say tri-fold, a lot of times they're only a 2-fold. This one is a 3-fold, goes all the way up, leans right there. You got your support system here. Now you do is slide this up, push this down, lock it in place just like that. Does not block your third brake light, and you get pretty much 94% of the bed. You just lose a little bit on the top here, but basically if you want to put your Harley Davidson back here, you want to put any ATVs or even just a couch, you got a lot of room because this goes all the way up. Now if you had to take this off, you can. You just unscrew this and take the cover off. You don't really need to, but you have the option on that. Now again, by this going up like this, if you have cameras up here, it won't block your cameras. Another nice feature. Another good feature about this one is when this is up and you have stuff in the back of your bed, this will act as a headache rack. Now if you're not familiar with that term, a lot of commercial vehicles will have a protection for the rear window. This way, if you have stuff back here and someone cuts you off and everything comes flying forward, instead of hitting the back of your cab here, hit this, and this will take a lot more impact. Speaking of strength of the cover, this cover does have a 400-pound weight capacity, nice 5-year manufacturer warranty. So, and if we install it for you, you get double the warranty on that, which is really nice. So it goes from 5 years to 10 years. Now we do put a 1-year labor guarantee on this. It covers what we have done today. It covers adjustments of that nature. If there was a defect from the manufacturer, it would cover that too, because basically they send us the parts, we put them in for you. By the way, take a look at this. You can see how the finish normally looks versus the new finish here. As you can see, there is a difference on here. Now the regular MX4s are still going to be like this. It's just the MX4TSs will get the new finish here. For the money, which by the way, when you hit the link on here, you'll see the pricing. I think this is a great value. It's a medium price item. It's not going to be the cheapest item, but it's actually very reasonable for everything you get with the T-slots, the cover, the way this thing looks, the way it functions. It is a great setup. Now, if you live here in Florida, we can get it for you. We can install it for you just like we did with this customer. If you don't live in Florida, that is not a problem. We can ship it anywhere in the country. If you live in the continental USA or even like Hawaii or even Puerto Rico, we got you covered. We even shipped to Alaska a couple times. So we got you covered wherever you're at. If you buy it from us, we can walk you through any questions you might have. I know some places that sell this stuff, they're salespeople, they're not installers. So they're going to be reading from a script. The same paperwork you get with it, you might have a question they're not going to know how to answer because they don't physically go out there and do it. You can see our work. So we put these videos out here for a lot of reasons. One, to see how it looks on the vehicle, show you how it looks. Also, it lets you know the quality of our work. We put it out there. You can look at it, see what you like, and then you can give us a call. We can help you with any questions you might have if you buy it from us. If you go buy it from someone else, and unfortunately I get calls like this all day long. I buy it from this guy, blah, 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 and I call him, he don't know what to do. I try calling Real Truck, they put me on hold for 3 hours. Can you help me? And then first thing I'm gonna ask you, did you buy here? And they say, yes, I'll help you. If they say no, you're gonna have to go through whoever you purchase it from. Again, this is a terrific product. It's new. This is, again, the Bak Flip, ready for this, MX4TS T-slot on the new, actually 22 Toyota Tacoma with 6-foot bed. And I have these in stock right now. I pretty much have all the models here. So if you want it right away, you can show up at the store. We might be able to do it the same day for you. That's right. So again, we ship it anywhere you want. If you have any questions, give us a call. And one more time, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.